It's taken a lot to get here. This week, we leave our old life to start a new adventure. Join us as we provision the boat, test our equipment, and set off on our first sail.
I really don't think it's hit us yet, you know, like that we made it this far, and it's really happening. I mean, it's so cool. 48 hours ago we left our house out in the country, probably for the last time. I don't think we'll ever set foot in that house again. And now we are headed to our new home. It's really been an intense couple of hours.
Intense month.
We successfully navigated our way to the airport. It took only 4 hours, and now we are about to board our first leg of our flight. So things are going pretty good. Tired.
Our flight just got delayed, so now we're chilling in Lisbon and waiting for a plane.
Yeah, this plane's supposed to be right there. Bonjour, Les Sables. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm sure I'm not.
We're right here on this dock somewhere.
There it is! Oh my gosh! Yes! Wow! Whoa! We have just arrived and we saw the boat already. Just a glimpse, so it doesn't count yet. Let's get the bags and then we will go and meet her in earnest. Yes, thank you so much. It's exciting moments. I'm not gonna lie, I think she's the prettiest one in the batch, but maybe that's just my parental perspective. Oh, that's right there, folks, is the sailing Starship Friendship vessel, Lagoon 42.
After an awesome first night on the boat, we have 2 days to provision an empty boat for a 4-day sail across the Bay of Biscay. We're going to take the boat out for the first time today.
And hopefully there's a little breeze out there. It's awfully calm in the marina this morning. We're also gonna put up the code 0, getting all the gear in place, and then we'll hoist it and have a look.
We're on our inaugural sail. There's no wind. It's still freaking awesome. We're screaming.
Even with just a little bit of wind. Very cool. So thankful.
We don't know a lot of things.
But we do know one thing, which is we are stoked. So stoked. I mean, come on. It's so awesome. We're just testing the system to see if we can easily put a couple of reefs in the mainsail. There are actually 3 handy halyards placed already just for this very task. So we're just trying it out. It's coming together. We shall have clean hands and dry people. Some things. Oh my gosh. And I just heard David screaming, Kelly, Kelly, come Kelly. And I was like, oh my God, whatever could he possibly want? Well, it turns out that David's been droning and the birds didn't like it.
Oh,
Some seagulls.
Seagull just tried to attack my drone. Him right there. Now they're all riled up. So we're just gonna put the drone away.
Yeah. They're so riled up.
I wonder if they have a nest up there. I think they do. Yeah, they'll definitely do. Drone's going away.
We didn't mean to disturb you. We just wanted some pretty shots of the marina, I swear. We're innocent. Well, while David is terrorizing the birds, I've been busy trying to set up the house, the boat house. Did a bunch of shopping, so now we have basic supplies. Now I'm just cleaning up the mess I made and taking an accounting of all the things I forgot.
We're gonna go pick some trash up in the marina. And it's gonna be awesome. Next week on Sailing Starship, we have 30-knot winds and 6 to 8 foot seas on our beam. We encounter dolphins, whales, and then we have one big accident in the bedroom.